Hey everyone. Welcome back to Dropshippers TV. If you're into dropshipping or eCommerce and you're looking for a tool to help you find winning products and spy on your competitors, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool called Ppspy, and I'll explain what it is, how it works, and why you might want to use it for your online business. Let's get started. What is Ppspy? Ppspy is an all-in-one Shopify spy tool. It allows you to discover trending products, analyze Shopify stores, track competitors, and see live sales from actual stores. Basically, it gives you behind-the-scenes access to what's working right now in eCommerce, especially dropshipping. Key features of Ppspy. Let me walk you through the main features. 1. Shopify Store Search. You can search for any Shopify store by name, keyword, or niche. Want to see all the pet stores using Shopify? Just type pet and filter your results. 2. Product Tracker. This shows you top-selling and trending products across Shopify stores. You'll see product names, images, pricing, and even estimated orders. It's perfect for finding winning products that are already making sales. 3. Store Analyzer. Click on any store, and you'll get full analytics, estimated traffic, best-selling products, product count, technologies they use, and even when the store was created. This helps you understand what successful stores are doing right. 4. Live Sales Tracking. This is one of the best features. You can actually watch live orders coming in on certain stores. It tells you exactly what's selling right now in real time. 5. Sales Estimator. Ppspy gives you a rough idea of how much revenue a store or a product is generating daily or monthly. This helps you decide if a product is worth testing. Who should use Ppspy? If you're doing dropshipping, print on demand, or running any Shopify store, Ppspy can help you save time on product research, find proven winners, understand your competition, and avoid testing random products that don't sell. Whether you're a beginner or already running ads, it's a powerful tool to add to your toolkit. Pricing. Ppspy offers a free version with limited access, great if you just want to try it out. But for full access to features like live tracking, top stores, and detailed analytics, they offer paid plans as well. I recommend starting with the free version, and if you find value in it, upgrade when you're ready to scale. Alright, that's it for today's video. Ppspy is seriously one of the most useful tools for product research in 2025 and beyond. If you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial on how to find winning products using Ppspy, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos like this one. This is Dropshippers TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.